What will win in a drag race between an Audi RS6 and an Audi S8? Well, we're going to find out because I've got the two lined up here right now. And we're going to race them over the standing quarter mile. This Audi S8, it has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 571 horsepower and 800 newton meters of torque. It's got Quattro all-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic gearbox, and it weighs in at 2,230 kilos. It's also quite expensive, just over £100,000. That RS6, which incidentally is my daily driver.
Wait a minute!
My Audi RS6 is going back to Audi. Oh yeah, it's a very sad day. Anyhow, that also has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 800 newton meters of torque, but horsepower is 600. It's lighter as well, relatively speaking. It's 2,075 kilos. Slightly cheaper than this, starting price, £95,000. Once again though, 8-speed automatic gearbox, Quattro all-wheel drive. We're going to race them, but before we do, please make sure you're subscribed to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. Also, if you're thinking about buying a new car, check out Carwow. Put a link up there to our website, you can go check it out. Alternatively, just Google Help Me Carwow, and me and my team will help you choose the right car for you and get it for a fair price from one of our trusted dealers. And on average, people save £2,900 on a new car through Carwow, just saying. Anyway, let's race.
Buying a new car? Then head to Carwow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. Carwow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
Before we race, we're going to do the obligatory Carwow sound check. Here we go. It'll let me rev to 4,000 probably. 3.8. Let's hear the RS6 rev. Same. Maybe it sounds a bit better on the outside. You tell me. Let me know in the comments below. This side of the steering wheel is really shiny and this one's not. Shiny. Not shiny. I was not expecting that. Oh my God. I think I've just pooed myself.
3, 2, 1.
Totally had him on the line. I think I might have been early-ish. Did I jump? It's coming back. It's coming back, but not enough. Right, so I won that, but I'm a bit concerned that I might have been a bit premature on the launch, or you were a bit slow. I'm not sure which was which. Action replay can decide, but do you want to have another go anyway?
3, 2, 1.
I think I'm a little bit quicker off the line than him. Practice. I think once again, I'm just reacting a little bit quicker off the line. I want to give you another go, all right?
You're not reacting quicker, you're going before his hand drops. So what you're doing is you're just going. I'm reacting when his hand moves.
Well, let's just do an action replay, see if I jumped. Anyway, let's try a third time.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's better, neck and neck. No, this hooked up better. It seems to just be finding better traction because we were neck and neck. Do you know what happened there? We were pretty much neck and neck for the first metre, and this I could feel it struggle but then grip again. I don't know whether it's because it's got extra weight which helped it. Yours, did it slip a bit?
I just seem to have a bigger delay between gear changes in auto than you. So when I was shifting, there was a long gap between when it engaged power again, and you made that little gap there. That's what it looked like anyway.
Well, you say you, the car, I mean, I did bugger all, I just kept my foot planted, but I'm surprised at that. We've done it 3 times, it is what it is. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the S8 came first, completing the standing quarter mile in 11.4 seconds, and the RS6 was second with a time of 11.6 seconds. Though, to be fair, the best time I've ever had out of an Audi RS6 is also 11.4 seconds. So, had it launched a bit better, it would have matched the S8. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour with the cars in automatic and comfort mode. We're just wafting along in our lovely German machines, enjoying ourselves, and then we want to race. 3, 2, 1, go. I could have changed gears myself quicker. In fact, I could have gone into the gearbox, opened it up, pulled the necessary levers to get it to change gear. It was just so slow. That was interesting. When I kicked down in this, it was like, wait a minute, does he want to go quick? Maybe he doesn't. This is supposed to be a limousine. Maybe he just wants to chill. No, his foot's still planted. I will give him a lower gear. And then it took off, and by which point you'd won.
It looked like you just stayed where you were. That's really funny.
Let's take the slow change down to the gearbox out of the equation, shall we? Let's do the rolling race again, this time manual mode, sports mode, also known as dynamic if you're in an Audi, locked in third gear. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. I don't actually have to change up in this, does it for you? Ah, you see, now it's going for it. Definitely slightly quicker. Whoa. And I'm backing off. Please brake, that is my car. I was a little bit worried then. How worried were you?
I would have stopped sooner. I just didn't want to trash your brakes, so I didn't try and hammer it down through the gearbox for you.
Okay, I was a bit worried. I thought you might go off the runway, but you do actually have quite a lot of room there. That time, your car was quicker. When it's not fanning around in that first to second transition, it's all good.
Yeah, it's much, much faster when you can decide when you want to shift up than letting the car do it.
Well, there you go. One last challenge. Okay, get level. I've got my cruise control set at 70. When we reach the line for the emergency stop, I'm going to double foot brake this bad boy. Get level, a bit further forward. Okay, here we go, on the line. You've got RS brakes. I've got a heavier car. I beat you in the brake test. What?
Maybe if we try it again, I get to that tight far right lane, because this is definitely still damp, the patch I'm on, and it's dry to the right. Maybe we can try it again.
Shall I let him? Shall I? Go on then. He might be wrong. Let's do it again. Come on then, get level with me. I'm going to double foot brake again. I think I'm further ahead than you were when you were on this side by my memory. I reckon overall you won the brake test. I'll give you that. This side is a little bit damper. This won the drag race. Yay! Didn't win the rolling races and didn't win the brake test. So overall, it's a win for the RS6. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. And if you want to check out an amazing deal I found on either an S8 or an RS6 through CarWow, click on the pop-out banner up there. You can actually go check that out right now. There's a link below the video as well if you can't see that little banner popping out. And if you're thinking about buying a new car, you can just simply Google Help Me CarWow and my team and I will help you buy the right car for you and get it for a fair price from one of our trusted dealers. On average, people save £2,900 when buying through CarWow. Right, thanks for watching. I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, please give it a like. If you click on those windows there, you can watch some more drag races involving Audis. And on that box there, to go check out the CarWow drag race leaderboard. See how these cars' times measured up.